Hey everybody, happy Monday. So for my Make It Monday series today, I'm going to talk about the Immune Balm and how to make it. So the Immune Balm is a roll-on bottle recipe that has 5 immune supporting oils or oil blends. And how I normally use it is when I feel, the sniffles coming on or just start to feel a little off or not well in the colder months especially. What I will do is I will take this roll-on bottle and I'll roll it down my spine and the bottoms of my feet several times a day. So what you want to do is add first 10 drops of frankincense in. Next you want to add 10 drops of lemon essential oil. After that, add 10 drops of On Guard. On Guard is doTERRA's protective blend. It's a blend of immune boosting oils that are amazing and smell great this time of year because they kind of have like a fall smell when combined. Next, add 10 drops of oregano. Oregano is a super powerful essential oil. If you don't know much about oregano past the fact that it makes a good spaghetti sauce, you'll want to do your research. You'll be amazed at what you find. And the last oil that you want to add in is melaleuca. Melaleuca is also known as tea tree oil, so you're probably familiar with that one. It's great for its immune support. So 10 drops of each of those into a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle. And then what you want to do is fill the rest with fractionated coconut oil. I think I still have melaleuca to add to this one. This is one of my roll-on bottles that's left over from earlier in the year, so about this time of year is just a great time to go ahead and get your immune boosting roller ready to go so you'll have it when you need it and not have to whip all this together when you aren't feeling well. That's usually when you're least likely to create this. So I hope you have a great Monday and stay healthy this fall.